if you have Docker images already created for your application, and these images are hosted in your Docker registry, let's say you want to deploy it to Shipa now, it can easily be done through your CI/CD pipeline or from your command line using Shipa's CLI. On this example, we'll be deploying an image that is hosted on a Docker registry. The app itself is called Go App, as we can actually see here. Let's go to our terminal and create a new Shipa app. It can be done through the Shipa app create command. We can call it Docker, and the platform is static. As mentioned on other videos before, the static platform allows you to deploy Docker images to Shipa directly. The team owner is going to be admin, and the pool where I'm going to be deploying is GKE1. The pool already exists on Shipa, and that pool is actually tied to a cluster, a GKE cluster, also called GKE1. Great, the app has been created. Now we can use the Shipa app deploy command to deploy our application. And it's important to notice that the flag or the options we use in the Shipa app deploy command here are the same that you would be using through the Shipa CI on your CI/CD pipeline, so it's the same thing. So let's say Shipa app deploy -a, which is the name of my app called Docker as we created it before, and -i, it's the address of my app or my Docker image. So in this case, I'm just gonna do this. Shipa will start pulling up the image, and then once it's pulled, the deployment is going to be done. If we go to our Shipa dashboard and look for the Docker app, we can see here it shows us running. The life cycle, we're going to see that it's deploying the app. Again, it's deploying to my cluster GKE1 and to my pool GKE1. Let's go back and check. Great, the deployment is almost finished. It pulled the image and it created a container. And now if we go back to applications and we look for our Docker app, it's here, it's already running. We get the endpoint where the app can be accessed, the units, and then you get all the monitoring, the resources, the units, the distribution. You can see everything in detail as the same way you would see when you deploy your code directly.